Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking this website, How Not to Get Screwed by Your Lawyer workshop, which is a ClickFunnels page, and we're going to take it and try to change it into a GroovePages page. So that site's my sister's page, and you shouldn't really be just going to copy a page. She's going to be moving over to GroovePages, so I thought let's see if I can try to change a ClickFunnels page over to GroovePages manually just by creating the page myself. So I start off with the top with the timer and some text. The timer on ClickFunnels was a little bit smaller circles, where I couldn't figure out how to do that in GroovePages. I got kind of ovals. Text, I couldn't find the exact font, but I got the same size and colors were close. We'll need to get a color selector, or if you use a color selector from a Photoshop type program, you can pretty much find the color, you find the number you need for the color, and you can actually enter it into GroovePages. For the images, I just copied them right from the page. I took a screenshot of that image. Actually, no, that image, I just downloaded the image and then uploaded it to GroovePages. Some of the other images later, I actually just took screenshots and then uploaded them into GroovePages. Add some more text. I'll leave a link to both the pages below where we can sort of compare. Next we got some more text, another image. The image had a white border, so I added that to the image also. But when I went to try to center the image, it sort of left the border on the left and the image sort of went to the right. But it's still doable. Eventually that'll get fixed. Now the list on the ClickFunnels page had a nice little image. I didn't have the image, so I just took a screenshot of it was a little hand and uploaded that to ClickFunnels, and then use that as the bullet point. I had some trouble with the text, added too many text boxes, so I ended up having to delete some. Here's where I took the text, I took a little screenshot of that little hand, uploaded the little image, and then used it as my bullet point there. And there we go. Pretty close. Pretty close. Next is some more text. Text is easy, especially when it's centered. You just center the text, pick your font, pick your color, pick your background color, put it up or lower, down, and you're pretty much done. And so the text with different colors on the same paragraph, so I did the same thing. I didn't get all the right colors, but it's close. Now some more text. Then I was looking for a border, so I took a screen capture of those images. I saved them, then added the elements and upload those images to the GroovePages. Then add the image and text on the next line or next column. And that's about as far as I got. I got about a third through the page. If you want to check out the pages, I'll leave the links in the description below. And if you want to try GroovePages, you can try for free. I'll leave the link also below. And if you want to get the platinum deal, which is only $1,398 one-time payment only, and you never have to pay again, before the price goes up, it's a good time to get in. I have that, and my sister's also moving over to GroovePages from ClickFunnels because the deal is just an amazing deal. But that's the video for today. Thanks for watching.